Night brush. Do a Robin push. All right, down. Hand down. Open. Hang down. Oh. Okay. There we go. Very good. I see what you've been eating. Your backwards paw. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Sorry. Open. This is not fun. This is not glamorous. This is real. You're doing real good. Thank you. Always gotta look in your child's mouth. Come on. Open. Open. Yes, I know Cameron cannot spit. Therefore, we put a little bit amount of toothpaste, and it's okay. Done. Alright. Close. That's long enough. Open, please. There you go. This is not easy. And I know it's hard for those who aren't as have manual dexterity, I guess the word would be, because this is not easy. All right.